Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be talking about dictionaries. Dictionaries is basically an object type in Python. So I'll be explaining dictionaries, giving examples, etc. to help you, maybe if you have questions or you can't do dictionaries, you need help with dictionaries. So first we're going to move on, start with the concept of dictionaries. Let's say you have a bag, and it's a big bag, and you want to find a snack or something in it. Say you have a bag. You want a snack. You want your snack. This is your bag right here. This is your bag, and you just want a snack. You want to find where the snack is. So you want to take the snack out of some location. Let's say you want to find something in your front pocket. You search. Here's your snack. Front pocket, snack. And now if we go to our bag and we take out, where's my snack? Front pocket, snack. That's the concept of dictionaries. You take out a key. You have a key. You have a value, which is separated by a colon, and that is basically the concept of dictionaries. Obviously, there's many other examples I could put here, but this is just the basics. So now I'm going to show the format of dictionaries. Format. Format for dictionaries is as followed. So basically, we have key 1. You have a key, and you basically have a key, and then you have a value. You have a key and a value. However, since dictionaries are way more complex, now key value, key 2, and of course you're going to have another value, value 2, and then have another comma, key 3, value, it's basically the format of dictionaries. As you can see here, you have a key, you have a value, and you have more keys, you have more values, key, value, obviously, such as in our bag explanation. You wanted to find something in the bag, the snack. Here, our key would be our front pocket, and our value would be the snack. We can add more to our bag. The bag is pretty big, but I just decided to add the front pocket. You have a snack. So obviously dictionary, key, value, key 2, value 2, key 3, value 3. That's the format for dictionary. So when you do dictionaries, you basically have a format. You have curly braces that basically signify the keys and the value and their values. So basically the curly braces are signifying, hey, here's a key, and this is the value of this key. This value cannot be the value of key 2. It is the value of key 3, and that is designated by the curly braces. The format for I could also do a simple format, which is key, colon, value, comma, and repeated. You want to repeat this. And so you start with our key. We start with the key. We have key. We have a colon, which separates the key from the value. Actually, Yes, we have our key. And we have a value. We have a key, a value, key, value, key, value, key, value. So what we're going to do there, we have our key, colon, value. This value is the value of this key. This value cannot be the value of key 3. That's invalid. We have a comma, which separates each key and value. So basically, a mistake that a lot of people make is what they do is they'll just do this. They remove the comma, or they place the comma on the wrong spot. And if I were to do this, this is what I'd get. Invalid syntax error, which therefore results in error. Since it's invalid, you need the comma or Python will error it out. Now this is a valid dictionary. Everything is correct. We have a key, we have a colon, we have a value. This isn't a string. Our value doesn't have to be a string. This can be a number if we wanted. So I'm going to give an example. Let's say we wanted prices in the store. You're at the grocery store and you're shopping and you want the values of something. So let's say apple. I want to know the price of an apple. So I'll go here and I'll say, the price of an apple is $2.45. And key, colon, value, comma, value, comma. We have another key, orange, key, colon. We have a value. Let's say oranges are a little bit more expensive, and they are $3.45, $1 extra. And now that's a great example. We don't need a string for the value because this can be a number. So if I just run this, everything's correct. Key, colon, value, comma. And you want to find apple. I want to know the price of an apple. Hey, what's the price of an apple? Oh, it's $2.45. So that's basically an example where you do not need strings. But since here, this is just the format that I'm giving y'all, we are going to put in strings. So yeah, we have strings, dictionary, key, value, key, comma, value, key, colon, value, comma, and then repeat that format since we need to repeat it, comma, key, colon, value, comma, and so on and so forth. So obviously that's what you want to do with that. We can come up with more examples. Now I'm going to go over errors that people make, a lot of common errors. And one of them is this. We have X. We're going to do a random letter, N, X, and we can just do random stuff here. Right, we have a dictionary. It's correct. And someone goes ahead and does this. Everything is right. And it's all fun and games until this happens. Name N is not defined. You need to define your value. Like Python will error it out since the Python doesn't know, hey, what's N? What's N? We need to define N to tell the computer, hey, N is this dictionary. So whenever the computer sees N, it'll refer to it as a dictionary. X. why. So that's a thing that people make, a common mistake. Another common mistake is they forget the comma. Invalid syntax. I mentioned this before, but I'm going over it again because even I made this mistake before, and it's a very common mistake that people make with dictionaries. They just forget the comma and all. You need this comma or it'll error out. It actually breaks this. It breaks the format. If you remove the comma, it's going to error out. This is why if you always follow this setup, you will never get an error within a dictionary. You need to have a key, colon, value, comma. And obviously, you need to respect the facts. Like, you need to have curly braces. You can't do this, you know. So I'll also explain the difference between why we use dictionaries instead of just using lists. With lists, it's like saying, and we go back to our bag problem. With lists, we would have to keep searching through the entire bag, each pocket at a time. With dictionaries, we just need to find the front pocket, and we instantly know where the snack is, the front pocket. So that's basically the video, what I'm mainly going to talk about in the video. Hopefully this helped. If you're having issues with dictionaries, I'm going to make more videos on dictionaries, especially since this video is short and it mainly explain like the basics of dictionaries. If you're having problems with dictionaries, be sure to refer to other videos or watch this video again because or refer to this format, which I'm going to say again, this format, everything will be right if you follow this format. This is basically basics, very basics of dictionaries. I know this video didn't cover a lot, like the advanced portion of dictionary, but this is just the basic concepts, examples, making sure you know the basics so we can move on to the next portion. I might do a series on this. I'm not too sure. But yeah, hopefully this video helped. And yeah, see you in the video.